Good morning, this is April Wells with So Darn Cute Quilting. Let's see where we're at today. So what I've done here yesterday is finish filling this out on the top part of the flying geese right here. Today I plan on advancing the quilt and working on the bottom part of the flying geese. I've also decided what to do inside of the squares. Every other one is going to be echoed, like have this line around it to kind of echo the outside line, and then it's going to have this filler in it. The other ones are not going to have the line around it, and they're just going to have the filler. And let's see here, this is what it looks like that way. So see, this one is halfway done too. So if we look at the pattern, you can see that I have little blue squares on the ones that are going to have the square around it, and then I don't have anything at all on the ones that don't. So that kind of keeps me on track. So this is the one that I've been working on this morning. I've been working on putting in these lines and these pebbles and swirls and stuff, and the next one I'm going to move on over to this side, finish that out, quilt the center circle or square right here, and then go ahead and advance the quilt and finish out on the bottom part. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Take care.